Most agencies deploy AI agents with minimum testing. 3 days later, they're watching leads walk. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 4-step testing system we use inside MagicBlocks to catch broken logic and missing knowledge before they cost you deals, including how to use the robot head icon to debug your agent like a pro. Let's get into it. The first step is testing your agent before it goes live. Go to Agents in your left sidebar and select the agent you want to test. Click on the Try My Agent tab at the top. This opens a test chat window where you can interact with your AI exactly as a real prospect would, without it being live on your website. You can also click the Test button in the top right corner while making adjustments. Now chat with your agent as though you are a potential customer. Don't just ask easy questions, throw real scenarios at it. Start with product clarity. Ask, tell me more about your services. This tests if your agent understands your offerings clearly. Test value differentiation. Ask what makes your company different to ensure your agent communicates your unique positioning. Now the critical one, pricing. Ask what's the cost. Your agent needs to answer this confidently and accurately. Test objection handling. Say, I'm not sure this is for me. See if your agent responds with empathy and addresses concerns. Test the conversion flow. Say, I'm ready to book. Your agent should present a clear call to action, either opening a calendar or directing to a booking page. Finally, throw a curveball. Ask them, what's your favorite movie? This tests how well your agent redirects off-topic conversations back to business. If your agent fails any of these tests, fix it now before it loses you real deals. Let's get into it. Now we're going to test the scenarios that actually drive revenue. First, test your knowledge base accuracy. Your AI's intelligence depends on what's in its brain. Ask these factual questions. What is your services? What is your pricing? Who is this product for? If your agent makes up information, here's what to do. Go to your knowledge section and make sure entries are short and factual, preferably in question and answer format. Add priority knowledge to highlight critical information, then add a guardrail rule that says, never make up pricing or service information not explicitly in the knowledge base. Next, test your conversion flow. Say, I'm interested. How can I get started? Your agent should either open the booking calendar or route to a contact form. If it loops back to small talk or repeats information instead, there's a problem with your journey logic. Now test your journey conditions. If your agent gets stuck in one block, you're missing a next block action. Add conditional transitions. Verify your key fact mapping. If the wrong journey gets triggered, your conditions are misconfigured. This is where it gets powerful. The robot head icon. Go to Sessions in your left sidebar. This shows you all conversations your AI has had, both test conversations and real users. Click on any session to view the full conversation. You'll see all user messages, all AI responses, timestamps, and whether any goals were completed. Now here's the key. Click the robot head icon next to any AI message. This opens a detailed troubleshooting panel that shows you exactly what your AI is thinking. You can see actions triggered, what this AI actually did, like sending a message or switching blocks. You can see active journey blocks, which part of your conversation flow the AI is currently in. You can see conditions matched, which if then logic checks passed or failed. You can see key facts and memories, what information the AI captured from the user. You can see knowledge source, which knowledge base entry the AI pulled its answer from. And you can see error logs, any warnings about missing context or failed triggers. The robot head icon turns guesswork into data. You can see exactly why your AI behaved a certain way and fix it immediately. Testing isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous improvement system. Set up a weekly testing schedule. Run 5 to 10 test conversations in Try My Agent. Review your sessions from the past week. Click the robot head icon on any failed or incomplete conversations. Fix broken logic, missing knowledge, or weak responses. Then retest the same scenarios to verify your fixes worked. Create a simple scorecard to track your progress. Rate each area from 1 to 5 and add notes on what needs improvement. Also test persona voice consistency. Does your AI always sound like the persona you defined? Is the tone consistent throughout, not switching from polite to robotic mid-conversation? If tone shifts unexpectedly, review your persona settings. Here's the bottom line. AI agents that aren't tested systematically lose deals to simple, preventable mistakes. Ready to build an AI sales agent that's easy to be tested, reliable, and ready to convert? Head to magicblocks.ai and create your first agent for free.